Show it to me. Wow. Wow. Can I tell you the truth? Wow. Why are you nervous? Look at me. I stand over here as a man of God.
पासवान जी यहाँ परमेश्वर जन के रूप में खड़े हैं।
God, I told you, God will erase your past.
आपसे कहा कि
Do you believe that, my sister? I bless you.
आपको आशीष देते हैं।
You don't know.
आप नहीं जानते।
As I'm laying hands on you, God will erase your past.
जैसे आप पर हाथ रखते हैं परमेश्वर आपके अतीत को मिटा देगा।
You will move from victory to victory before you testify.
आपकी गवाही देने से पहले।
Graphic designing and editing.
Graphic design. You do stop motion animation? You know what is stop motion animation? Wow.
I was selected by the client for multimedia. By the client, not by the institute, not by the
Wow. This is
And
so
I got
good.
5,000 prize and a medal and a certificate. But early in my institute.
AI Digital Comics. Wow, this is so good. Reputed agency. Even I was an advertising manager. I know this. This is so good. May you be recognized internationally.
आपको अंतर्राष्ट्रीय तौर पे मशहूरी मिले।
Pray for this young woman. Pray for this young woman.
इस बहन के लिए प्रार्थना करें।
She
प्रार्थना करें।
has to rise up.
इन्हें ऊंचा उठने की जरूरत है।
Pastor, she is Sharon D'Souza coming from Kalina.
ये बहन शैरन डिसूजा है जो कलीना से आती है।
She was working as an HR recruiter,
वो HR रिक्रूटर के रूप में काम करती थी
placing candidates in reputed companies.
और उम्मीदवारों को बड़ी कंपनियों में नियुक्त करती थी।
During her time of work,
काम के दौरान
she went through a lot of humiliation and criticism.
उन्हें बहुत अपमान और आलोचना से झेलना पड़ा।
In the month of December,
दिसंबर के महीने में
during a fasting prayer service,
उपवास प्रार्थना सभा के दौरान
Pastor, you prophetically located her
पास्टर माइकल ने उन पर भविष्यवाणी में ढूंढा
and declared that her career would be lifted and she would shine after 31st of December.
और कहा कि उनका करियर जो है उठेगा 31 दिसंबर के बाद वो चमकेगी।
She held on to this word in faith.
उन्होंने इस वचन को विश्वास से पकड़े रहा।
Again, on her birthday on 4th Feb, she attended the studio service
अपने जन्मदिन 4 फरवरी को उन्होंने स्टूडियो सेवा में भाग लिया।
and she also attended the youth meeting on 14th February,
फिर 14 फरवरी को युवा सभा में उन्होंने भाग लिया।
where pastor declared that her career would shine.
पास्टर ने फिर से उन पे कहा कि उनका करियर जो है चमकेगा।
Pastor, as you located the sister prophetically,
Yes.
and you said her career is jumping, this sister, she acknowledges that her prayer was to have a career rocketing up. She's just finished her graphic designing course and she's looking for a job.
Your
And
career
more than
is
anything,
taking
she
off.
was more worried about her career only. And you exactly said that.
Your career is jumping. Hallelujah. This is your prayer request. Your career is jumping.
Whatever pastor declared and decreed in her life
और जो कुछ पास्टर ने उनके जीवन के ऊपर घोषणा किया
has come through pass.
वो पूरा हो चुका है।
This is
She
so good.
joyfully testifies that she has received medals, certificate and even a cash prize from a client.
वो आज
It
खुशी
is
से
Jesus.
गवाही देते उन्हें पदक, प्रमाण पत्र
It is
और एक
Jesus.
अव्वल जो है नकद पुरस्कार उन्हें मिला
May
है।
you
She
rise
gives all
higher.
glory
May
to
you
God.
rise
वो
higher.
सारी महिमा परमेश्वर को देती
May
है।
you get more medals. They'll be tired of keeping it in your yeah. Do well, and you must shine internationally. I'm so happy with stop animation is superb. Very nice.